Alright, it's day 4 of trying to make this thing not squeaky. Got a package from Stephen Davis. Look at that. I got a new one. We'll see if this fixes it. Alright, I got the old one off, got this new one. Gonna put that one on, and we'll see. Alright, got the pulley on. Put in the new clutch. He even sent me a new nut. He must have seen how bad mine was. Alright, time to test it out. Oh yeah, yeah, yeah! No more annoying idle tingle. Look at that! Look what else I've noticed. Could have died. Could have been killed.